Event number 27 is the Masters C Grade New Vogue. May I have couples to the floor, please? Masters C Grade New Vogue. Let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Bring them onto the floor. Thank you, couples. Oh, okay, I need to see numbers, please, gentlemen. $91. Just a reminder to all competitors, please make sure you do go to the marshalling area and have your number entered into the computer 3 events before you dance. Please make sure you do that. Thank you, couples. Your first dance is the Lucille Waltz. The Charmaine, Lucille, I should say, ladies and gentlemen, we were just talking about the Charmaine. Lovely dancing couples. We move into your second dance. Thank you. It's the Tangoettes. The Tangoette, ladies and gentlemen, Masters C Grade New Vogue.